guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those tuning in for the very first time, a special welcome to you guys. My name is Cindy and this is Interior Designs with Cindy Rayo. In today's segment, I'm on a mission to find throw pillows. I absolutely love throw pillows. If I can have a closet just full of them, I would. But yeah, that's gonna take up a lot of space, so I can't do that. But you know, throw pillows are a great accent piece. They're a good way to show a little bit of you into that space. So I am on a mission to find a throw pillow for a toddler's room. There's a couple of things that I'm looking for, so I'm really hoping that I can find it. At the end of the day, I really want a luxury look, but you know, obviously I don't want to spend, you know, over $100 on cushions, especially since these specific cushions are going on the floor. So I want to make sure it's budget friendly along with other things that I'm looking for. I'm very excited. I usually go to Ross, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Target, which is where I absolutely love to shop for my home decor stuff. But they each have their pros and cons. So Target's a little expensive and it's not always the best quality, but they do have really nice and unique designs, which is what I love. As for TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls, they are absolutely beautiful. I love them. Sometimes they're overpriced, not always. But oh my god, it's like it's worth every penny. There has not been one thing that I bought from Home Goods and I've not been okay or have like contemplated whether or not I should have bought it. I'm always satisfied with it. Ross is a hit or miss. Sometimes you hit the jackpot and you found exactly what you're looking for in the quality that you're looking for and in the price. And other times it's like you get what you pay for, so to speak. It's not the best quality, so it's a hit or miss. But today I'm hoping to find some goodies and let's see, and hopefully everything goes well. All right guys, we are here. Here's TJ Maxx. And as per usual, my favorite place in the whole wide world, Home Goods and Ross. Super excited.
Hi guys, so I'm here right now at Home Goods and Ross, hoping to find something that's modern, luxurious, modern contemporary, because that's really what I'm trying to go for the house. But also I want it to be playful. It is for a kid's room, specifically a toddler, so I don't want it to be too adult looking. I still want it to have playful pattern used later on throughout the house if, you know, for whatever reason she grows out of it and she just doesn't want it anymore. Also, I'm trying to find a material that is toddler proof. So for the most part, these pillows are going to be on the floor. Because it's going to be on the floor, I know it's going to be collecting a lot of dust, a lot of dirt and stuff like that. Especially since this is her little play area. She might have crayons, markers, all sorts of things. So I need the material to be user friendly, if you want to put it like that. So yeah, let's see what they have. I'm super excited. I love coming here.
I found my jack spot. However, I did not find anything. So I like the velvet feel. I think it's gorgeous, but these aren't feather filled and they're really hard to shape when they're filled with anything else. And plus the cotton tends to break down after a while. Unfortunately, I had no luck here, so let's go to Home Goods. Absolutely no luck at Ross, so I'm hoping Home Goods is a different story. They have a great variety of throw pillows, so let's see what they have. It's like throw pillow kingdom. I absolutely love Home Goods. Oh my god. This is exactly why I can't go to department stores unsupervised, because I get distracted so easily. I love my throw pillows and I think their greatest partner in crime is a throw blanket. So every time I see them, I'm like falling in love all over again. But I stayed focused and I didn't buy a throw blanket, so I'm proud of myself. I'm looking at these and I'm not sure I want the floral for the baby's room. However, I'm loving this color right here. I think it's really pretty. Not sure if I want to go with the purple. I think I want to stay with the pastel pinks. So I did find more pillows, but for the sake of not having to clean all the time, I'm going to stay away from the creams as much as I can, but I absolutely love them. I think they're gorgeous. So I'm hoping, oh, this gray is kind of pretty. I don't know if I want to hit gray. Oh, the golds. I can hit golds in her room. I think that'd look really nice. Oh, like this. Yes. Oh my god. Look at these. This is cute. So this is the color that I want. I do not like the pattern in the front, so we might have to keep looking. However, that is so pretty.
So I'm happy to say that I did find my throw pillows in the baby's room, so I'm super excited. They do come with a minor defect, but it's okay because I can fix it. So I'll be able to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about and how I go about fixing it and the reason why. So yeah, I can't wait to show you.
Alright guys, if you didn't notice what the defect was, it's this zipper on one side of the pillow, and on the opposite side we have these tags. I cannot stand seeing these things when I have my throw pillows up for decor, so I will show you what I did. We're going to start off by removing the pillowcase. You're going to go ahead and flip the pillowcase inside out and expose the stitching. You want to make sure that the corners are exposed, so you will go ahead and place your hand inside, and with your finger you'll push out the corner. Locate your tag. Once you've done that, split it in half, and that way you can expose the stitching. Grab some scissors, and keep in mind that cutting on the sides of the tag can cause you to accidentally cut into the fabric, so you're going to make sure to cut in between the tag. It should look something like this once completed. For cleaning methods, I usually stitch the tags into the inside of the pillowcase. Grab a sewing needle and thread. Place the thread through the needle. Then you'll tie a double knot with the thread to secure the needle. For this next step, you'll create a knot towards the end of the thread to make sure it stays in place when sewing. Wrap the thread around 2 fingers, and with your middle finger and thumb, you'll roll the thread and then pull. Now you're ready to sew. If you like a video on how to hand sew, let me know in the comments down below. Definitely want to iron out the fabric to remove any wrinkles. Grab a towel and fold it to the size of the pillowcase. Place the towel inside the case. This will prevent wrinkles from being ironed to the bottom half when ironing the top half. Nothing about those tags screamed out luxury, so removing that really gave it that extra touch. If you're curious how these throw pillows turned out in our design, click the subscribe button and stay tuned. And there you have it, throw pillows on a budget. If you guys have any questions or just want to let me know about the video, feel free to do so in the comment section down below. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next video.